northern lights have seen queer sights, but the queerest they ever did see was that night on the marge of Lake Laberge that I cremated Sam McGee.
Not little guy.
There he is. Where's the rest of Larsson?
The snow's turned to white. Christmas days have come and gone. Broken toys and faded cutters are out left laying around. I hate graveyards and old pawn shops.
That's an old helicopter.
Oh, they always bring me tears. Can't forgive the way they robbed me of the childhood souvenirs. Memories that can't be bought, there can't be one that kind of us for free. Well, it took me years to get those souvenirs, and I don't know how they slipped away from me.
No wonder I didn't get that in. I wasn't using my left.
That should come.
That should. Take that one. You want to, Mom. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh!
And then once I hit a good road, it's just vibrating.
Fast on a rough road, riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Young, like a new moon rising, fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I'll fall free. I'll fall free. I'll fall free. Fall free.
I always wondered.
Gordy. Did you get? What'd you find, Gordy? You gonna destroy the only tree in the country? What do you think, Gordy? Huh? Good boy, Gordo. Gordy. Gordy, Gordy. Oh, there's Gordy.
We have a big.
Smuggler's Cove.
It's the 11th of November down in Nashville,
Oh, they're
Tennessee.
coming all the way down.
Free breakfast
Double.
at the Waffle
But they're just
House.
like
If I show 'em my ID, a parade up on the riverfront, you can hear the trumpets play. Hands on hearts, the color guard kicks it off on Veterans Day. And they thank me for my service
Go video.
and wave their little
Roll
flag.
the video.
They genuflect on Sundays, and yes, they'd send us back. But I believe in God and country, and in the angels up on high, and in heaven shining down on us through bullet holes in the sky.
You're doing better.
Waitress asked me how I'm doing, but I don't know what to say. I was thinking about the battlefield, the night I learned to pray. Marchers make their way down Main Street. The crowd begins to cheer. I feel my chest explode as my eyes fill up with tears. They thank me for my service and wave their little flag. They genuflect on Sundays, and yes, they'd send us back. But I believe in God and country, and in the angels up on high, and in heaven shining down on us through bullet holes in the sky.
The best boy.
Oh, Jesus said, forgive them, they know not what they do. And he's here with me this morning, and his words still ring true. So I hang my head and pray for those we lost and those who remain. As the clouds burst over Nashville, it begins to rain. And they thank for my service and wave their little flag. They genuflect on Sundays, and yes, they'd send us back. But I believe in God and country, and in the angels up on high, and in heaven shining down.
I seen you. Tell me.
Just about the boreal forest.
Did he go up the tree? Is he a the squirrel mom?
Memory that can't be bought, that can't be won, the carnival's so free. Well, it took me years to get those souvenirs, and I don't know how they slipped away from me. Broken hearts and dirty windows, it made life difficult to say. That's why last night and this morning, oh, it looked the same to me. I hate reading old love letters, for they always bring me tears. Can't forget the way they robbed me of my sweetheart's souvenir. Memories that can't be bought, that can't be won, the carnival's so free. Well, it took me years to get those souvenirs, and I don't know how it slipped away from me.